I have the pleasure to introduce to you our new classroom, which is built according to active learning methodology. But in this case, I would like to tell you more of this classroom as support infrastructure for cooperation and collaboration. So this is a place where we expect that our researchers can give public lectures. They can organize a seminar for company representatives. They can organize co-ideation workshop with young people, or they can have online meeting with our European university partners or joint cooperation and multidisciplinary teams. So one thing is we have a central screen, but the main infrastructure is connecting 6 more team screens together so that we can share our individual group work together with the whole classroom, so we can switch from one information to everyone to individual different topics where every group is working on. So that's one of the possibilities what we can do here. So the idea was to bring the latest technologies, the latest software and design in one place for being more mobile, flexible, and innovate together. So when we worked on the concept for this classroom, so we discussed a lot. So what kind of features are very important for working together, and we paid special attention to the sound effects, and that's why we have bought this acoustic lamps. So in order to reduce noise, and there are a lot of people working in a group. We also discussed a lot about lighting and what kind of lights we put in the classroom, because when you work a long time at different screens, so it's very important that for your eyes to get the right light in order you can be productive for a longer period. And of course design, which is created very welcomed so that you can feel creative in this room, and it helps for you to work in a teams.